Have you ever wondered how these massive swirling storms form? Today we're diving into the science behind hurricanes and secrets of these powerful natural phenomena. Hurricanes, also known as tropical cyclones, are among the most powerful and destructive weather systems on Earth. But how do they form? Let's break it down step by step. It all starts with warm ocean water. When the surface temperature of the ocean reaches at least 26.5 degrees Celsius, about 80 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides the energy needed for a hurricane to form. Warm, moist air rises from the ocean surface, creating an area of low pressure beneath. As the warm air rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and releasing heat. This heat warms the surrounding air, causing it to rise even more. Meanwhile, the Earth's rotation causes the rising air to spin, thanks to the Coriolis effect. This spinning motion is crucial for the development of a hurricane. At the center of the storm, a calm area known as the eye forms. Surrounding the eye is the eyewall, where the most intense winds and rain occur. The eye can be deceptively calm, but it's surrounded by the most dangerous part of the hurricane. As the hurricane continues to draw energy from the warm ocean water, it grows in size and strength. The storm's path is influenced by various factors, including wind patterns and ocean currents. Hurricanes can travel thousands of miles, bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and storm surges to coastal areas. Hurricanes can cause widespread destruction, from flooding to wind damage. It's important to be prepared if you live in a hurricane-prone area. Make sure to have an emergency kit, know your evacuation routes, and stay informed about the latest weather updates. Understanding how hurricanes form helps us better prepare for these powerful storms. Stay safe, stay informed, and thank you for watching creativehumble_Moy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for everything knowledge and curiosity.